little bit of a nightmare here. Nothing we can't handle. Drew's crew, the travelers, have ran into a whole lot worse stuff than that. So if you're working on, yeah, you can do that. If you're working on your place and you run into something like this, don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. It's only wood. Wood can be replaced. Pick at it, pull at it, till all the rotten stuff is gone. This thing here is giving us a little bit of a fight. You're gonna have to come down, Bert. I think it'll come out now. Boy, they're gonna be sunburned. Yeah, I'm sitting in the yard. Sunburnt.
Hey, Bill, need a Craftsman battery?
Got one right here, but we do need one. All the blocks.
Yeah, I did have a box in there for you.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, that done. Yeah, hold. 44 and a quarter. Yep.
Yeah.
One off. Huh?
The outside edge. Eyeball. God damn. You just had sheetrock fall down on the inside.
No. Get out of here.
Sheetrock just fell on the inside. It's rotted.
Yeah.
I didn't step on it.
No.
I'm okay.
She's all right.
Oh, you're in there. What happened?
I don't know. I was letting run.
On the front, do the way over. Do that. Right here, be good.
Uh-oh, here goes the water bottle. Paul said, no, it ain't. Paul said, no, it ain't.
What?
I said, uh-oh, there goes the water bottle.
Okay.
Paul said, nope, ain't happening.
That wasn't gonna happen.
Well, that's a pretty roof over there, ain't it?
Yeah, that's real nice.
That's pretty. In the world, TV.
Caving in.
Bad.
Only thing holding that house together.
They're, got a load of trash on this one. Load of trash. This thing come along nice today. Nice. The whole ceiling was so wet inside of this thing that as we were walking on these 2x8s, The sheetrock had been so wet over time that we're standing up here and all of a sudden we hear a big crash, bam, boom, and all the sheetrock fell out from inside. Not good. That was surprising, to say the least. Didn't realize how wet it was. Won't get wet anymore. This is the deal right here.
Come over there. Just like quick.
Yeah.
As soon as the sun hits it.
Yeah. You can actually see it drying up.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool, dude.
Oh, there's a puddle.
Yeah. How you told, Danny?
Where the hell did that come from? Rain yesterday? On this?
Yeah. No,
On this?
I had a conversation this morning. The dude this morning.
Oh.
They stayed up underneath there
Damn.
all day.
Wow.
All freaking day of water.
Clamping her back down?
Huh?